Welcome to this updated guide on how to delete your WhatsApp account. If you're looking to take a break from the app or simply want to remove your presence from the platform, this video will walk you through the easy steps to do so. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This might seem straightforward, but it's essential to start here. Once you have the app open, you'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your account. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Account. Tap on this to access your account settings. Here, you'll find various options related to your WhatsApp account, including the ability to change your phone number or delete your account entirely. To proceed with deleting your account, tap on Delete Account. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number in full international format. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that you're deleting the correct account. Make sure to include your country code followed by your phone number. After entering your phone number, you'll be asked to confirm the deletion of your account. This is a permanent action, so take a moment to consider whether you're sure about deleting your account. WhatsApp will also ask you to select a reason for why you're deleting your account, which helps them improve their services. Once you've confirmed, tap Delete Account again to complete the process. It's important to note that deleting your WhatsApp account is irreversible. You won't be able to recover your account or any of the data associated with it after deletion. However, this action will remove you from all WhatsApp groups and delete your message history. Remember, it may take up to 90 days for all your data to be fully removed from WhatsApp's servers. During this time, your information won't be accessible to you or others through WhatsApp. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.